Hi everyone, welcome to week 10. It's Tuesday, March 30th, and I just wanted to check in. It's been a minute. Um, so hopefully you saw that I posted to our 101 page a video, and so this is going to be a little shorter. This week we are uh, covering some more grammar, continuing with the discussion of commas. There is a quiz on that. There is the course feedback survey in 101, and I'm also asking if you have a moment to complete the survey in 098. Just again, it's helping me make any changes, for the remaining 4 weeks that we have left in the course. If there's things that I can do differently to really help you get to the finish line, I'm happy to do that. There's no discussion board this week. I'd like you to spend most of your time working on Essay 3 since that is due on Sunday. Okay, so that is it for this week. As we move forward these next couple weeks, there's one more paper in English 101, Essay 4, which you can see that in the 101 page, in the Canvas page, and the last day of classes is Monday, April 26th. So we are moving into the home stretch. And there's no final exam in this class in 098. The final exam grade is the grade that you get in the English 101 final exam. So really these next several weeks, you're going to see the workload here lighten up because, we're over the halfway mark. There was a lot of work in the earlier weeks here in 098. But as I said, now we're moving over, really getting towards the end of the term. Most of your energy and time, you're going to be focusing on the 101 work. We've done a lot of the grammar, we've done a lot of the practice integrating sources, using those templates from they say, I say, how do you quote, how do you paraphrase. We've really done a lot. You've done a lot. And so now these next several weeks, there won't be quite as much of a workload keep coming to the page and checking in and things, and email me if you have questions. But again, we're going to really kind of see a big shift to most of the work being in the 101 class and a little less here in the 098. So please let me know if you have questions. I hope you're all doing well. As I said in the video in the 101 class, we're moving to, it is spring, the weather's getting nicer, but certainly, there's still a lot going on in the world. The pandemic is still here. Hopefully, people are getting vaccinated, but it's just kind of slow rollout, and I know we're all concerned about ourselves and our loved ones, and I just hope everyone's taking care of themselves. Let me know, again, fill out that survey or just email me if there's, things that I can do to support you to help you, succeed in this class. In the 098, the final grades are either a P for passing, an MP, which stands for making progress, or an F, right? If you're watching this video, if you're in the class and we're communicating and you're doing work, you're not going to fail. That's not possible. I think things come up sometimes. If students kind of disappear, as it were, then there is could be a failing grade, which is more like a withdrawal or a drop. But if you're present, you're engaged, you're doing the work, you're going to pass the 098. In the 101, just to kind of remind everyone, again, we are getting near the end of the term. The 101 class does have a letter grade, right? A, B, C, D, or F. That's the course that goes on your transcript with a letter grade. It affects your GPA. And students need a C or higher in English 101 to advance to English 102. So let me know if you have any questions about that or other things, in terms of either course, 98 or 101, or just questions in general. So yeah, have a good rest of the week, and I will check back in next week. Okay, take care.